guys, welcome to Duoco TV. This is Dr. Tom K. I want to show you in this video how you can create your core various security pin. All right, let's see how we can do that. Okay, right there I have 0.00447 gas fee as it is. So I'm going to come over to discover, click on discover, and then I'm going to tap on that. Then under each click on core various, and then click on enter core various. Okay, so that will lead us to this way. All right, what I would do is I'm going to click on register now. I have to register this account first. Click on register now, and then I'm going to click on confirm payment. All right, I'm going to click on confirm payment, then put in my password or fingerprint, and then that will be done. Okay, so this is successful. As you can see, successful. I've created this account now. All right, but there's nothing inside. So what I will do now is to click on wallet statistics. Click on wallet statistics, let it load, and then just come down here. You're going to see security passcode. That's a pin. Okay, tap on it. Okay, so when you tap on it, just scroll up a little bit, and then you're going to see new passkey. Now make sure, please, you don't forget this passkey. Very important, you don't forget it. Make sure you keep it somewhere. All right, so just watch out, and let me quickly put that in there. So having put it up and down, make sure you put it the first time, and then confirm it again. Then click on update now. Click on update now, and then click on confirm payment, and then let's put either use a code or fingerprint. Okay, it's done. All right, so if you come over here, it is successful. You have created what your passcode as it is. Okay, successful. You can see that successful passcode setup completed successfully. So that is how to create your code, your security code as it is. Okay, it's as simple as that. All right, God bless you. I'll see you some other time. This is Tom K. Ensure please you like and share this video, and not only that, do well to like, subscribe to this channel, so that Facebook, as YouTube as it is going to be showing to other persons. All right, God bless you. See you some other time. Bye for now.